Twin Crystal here and welcome to today's DIY Dreamcatcher tutorial. I'm so excited to get this tutorial out to you guys because this is a really cool dreamcatcher. So this is just to show you how to make a dreamcatcher connect in these 3 different hoops. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and this dreamcatcher will be for sale in the shopping links in the description box down below. So if you guys would like to purchase this dreamcatcher or any other dreamcatchers featured on this channel, you guys would like to purchase a whole range of awesome DIY dreamcatcher craft kits, you guys can check out the shopping link as well. Don't forget to give this video a big like and subscribe down below if you guys are new, and let's jump straight into today's tutorial.
Stare out at the ocean.
We're going to start by weaving the largest hoop first. It doesn't really matter which one you start with. You can start with the small one first, but don't start with the medium one first because it's going to get really confusing if you do. So we'll start with the largest one. If you guys are new and you haven't weaved a dreamcatcher before, I'm going to have 2 cards pop up, one here and one here, of 2 different tutorials you can watch if you would like to learn how to weave a dreamcatcher web. And I'll show you guys how to do this almost holographic kind of awesome dreamcatcher. In my other tutorials, I first start by wrapping some crochet cotton onto a chopstick. This just helps your string so it doesn't get tangled as you are weaving the web. So to begin, I'm just going to tie a triple knot at the base of the hoop. Take some clear nail polish and I'm just going to dot that on our knot. Then I'm just going to cut this short. There we go. And now I'm going to start with the first dreamcatcher loop. So I'll just do one for you guys just so you guys can have a good idea of how to do it. So you just go down, around, and you come through the loop you just made. And you can pull that onto the first loop you made. Now I'm going to go around and just keep weaving to the center, so I'm going to time lapse that for you guys. If you guys are new, you don't know how to do it, just click on either of these tutorials. They are super in depth and I'm sure you guys will be weaving like a pro in no time.
Saw a face in the sand, but when I picked it up, then it vanished away from my hands. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of heaven waiting patient for me.
I added on the tassels onto the dreamcatcher. If you guys would like to see how to add on tassels, I'll have a card pop up over here. Then I went ahead and I attached some clear quartz crystals to the edges of this dreamcatcher, if you can see that there. And I added on some beads. Now for those of you asking how to add on beads after you weave the web, I use stud beads. So you can find those for, like, people use them for jeans, like they clip on beads. Or you can get glue on beads as well, and that's an easy way to add beads after you weave the web. Thank you beautiful souls for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe down below if you guys are new. If you would like to purchase any of the dreamcatchers featured on this channel or buy yourself an awesome DIY dreamcatcher craft kit, you guys can check out the link in the description box down below. I would also love to make you something custom made, so you guys can send me a message as well. I hope you guys